There is still so much unknown about this virus, and that's what makes it so hard to treat. But it's also what's made it so hard for the 3 women I've talked with today to find doctors who will believe them when they talk about their symptoms. Months spent in and out of the hospital, with heart rates rising and falling rapidly and losing clumps of hair.
40% of our groups tested negative.
Lisa O'Brien is one who tested negative, but says she lived through COVID-19 and is still recovering months later.
Week 11, I found a superficial clot in my arm. Week 12, I had a pulmonary embolism.
Others, like Jennifer Hunter and Tressa Smith, tested positive for the virus, but say months afterwards they are still struggling to recover.
My heart was just racing really bad. I had that vibrating feeling, like she said, in my whole body for like 5 hours straight. Wouldn't stop. Finally decided to go to the ER, and I dread going. I've gone to my doctor a few times. I've gone to the ER a couple times, and I get the same response that everyone else is getting. You must have anxiety.
For these women, finding treatments has been just as hard as finding a doctor who will believe them. That's when they found each other through Facebook groups for COVID-19 long haulers across the nation. And in finding each other, they've also found a doctor working in the post-COVID care unit at a New York hospital, willing to answer questions through Facebook Live.
We have seen individuals who tested positive, tested negative, and then had symptoms again and tested positive again.
Well, thus many people have recovered, and I'm just sitting here thinking recovered means you didn't die after 3 weeks.
For all 3 of these ladies, they have visited with their primary care doctor but have not been prescribed anything to help fight COVID-19. Most said that they were given something to help with their inflammation as well as the pain they were experiencing. You can find more of my interview with them on our website, fox13now.com. In Salt Lake City, Aaron Cox, Fox 13 News, Utah.